Hi Beanbeauti, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today hopefully will be just a quick little video. I wanted to share my what I got from my YouTube BFF Millisa from Simply Lady M. So if you're curious what a YouTube BFF gives you, then come on back and I'll let you know. But I just wanted to real quickly let y'all know what my sweetheart Millisa gave me. Um, she says you don't have to do a video, so I opened it up with her and enjoyed it all with her. And I'm going to do a video anyway because she deserves a thank you, a proper YouTube thank you, since she's a YouTube BFF. It says Dee Dee. Oh, here's what it looks like. Let's see. There you go. Isn't that cute? And the front says, "You're fabulous." And then the inside says, "Trust me, I know fabulous. Happy birthday." And she says, "Dee Dee, wishing you the best of birthdays. Love ya, Millisa." Millisa with an I, in case you're wondering. Today we celebrate you. And that's what she told me that day. It's like she didn't let me talk about her. She didn't. So let's not talk about any kind of issues or problems. Let's just celebrate you that day on my birthday. I thought, oh, that was so sweet. So that was really excellent. So this is in no particular order, and she has no instructions, which is good. Other than she said, you can give stuff away or whatever. You know, she said that too at Christmas, I think. So this right here, I think it's from Target, and it's a New Day. Yeah, a New Day. So that's a Target brand, and it's a ruching little makeup case or keep all case or what have you, and it's red. It's our color. It's our color, and on the inside, it just has in here a black lining that is very easy to clean, and you can just put whatever in it. So I definitely can find use for this. Definitely will match. I can use it for so many things. In case you don't know this about me, I love all kinds of pouches. All kinds of pouches. Okay, I fixed it back up the way it came. I wanted you to see how it came. She is getting ready for Easter as well too. Here is with a little container. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to zoom it in. The lighting today is kind of off. And the brand says Sweet Life, Choose You, and then it says Bunny Lulu. Bunny Lulu. She says they all have all different kinds. I never heard of this, but I opened it up and it looks like it's a little basket, right? It's so cute. Look. He's got a something in here. And you take it out, and it's a bunny rabbit. He's really fluffy now because it tells you in the instructions in here, tells you that he starts to poof out, and he does. He wasn't this poofy when he came. And it's red. It's, oh my gosh, it's adorable. It has a great attachment keychain. And then you have a container that's tin that you can put all kinds of little goodies in there. But it has this nice ring on here. And this actually came through Amazon. She sent this one through Amazon. All the other stuff she had opened up, and it came from her. She sent it. Then she gave me these. It's like you can either use it as a strap for your bag, like a shoulder strap, or you can use it. She said she draped hers over multiple times over a bag. And she said it pops really good off a black bag. So I said, oh, that'll be great because I have a little trouble with the black bags. I like color. So this would be good to help dress those up if I want to dress those up. And then there is, I'm going to have trouble finding a place to put these. And then there's this one, which has different colors, perfect for Easter. And what I was telling her, she didn't know because she gave me a candy cane one at Christmas time. And I told her, did you know that you can use these and to turn your cell phone into a little wristlet? It has this little plastic thingy that you put between your phone case and your phone. And you can wear it as a wristlet and carry it around as a wristlet. And I was like, huh. She said, no, I didn't know that. I said, I know. I just threw the piece away. Or when you take it off, the piece kind of pops around. And so I didn't pay attention to it. And who told me? I think my daughter told me. I think she says, you can use that for wristlet. I'm surprised you don't use a wristlet one. I'm like, oh. And then this color, I love this color. It's like a minty green, which is going to be great for the upcoming season, right? And it's the same thing. So I'll use it like as a decoration on my bags, or maybe I'll use it as a charm. I mean, yeah, like a wristlet charm. Then she gave me this. This is so cute. It says, love you and mean it. And it's a mesh. And I told her right away, I know exactly what I'm going to use this for, because I'm going to use this as my hotel and dental toothpaste kind of stuffing, you know, for my toothbrush, my retainer. I know, gross, sorry. You know, that kind of stuff, because when you go to the hotels, and then we go to the ship, you know, last things you do is brush your teeth, and so then you have to do that for you know, coming home as well too. So you're always traveling with a wet toothbrush, and you know, I wrap it up and try to keep it, and then when I get back, try to sanitize it and when I get home. This way, it can air out. It can still be safe and not get too dirty from other things. So I said right away when I saw that, I knew exactly what that was. Okay. Then, oh my goodness, does she know me or what? Does she know that I like charms? And I don't do Starbucks that much, but you Starbucks fans maybe know what this is. It is a Starbucks charm, and it's functional. You can put your pills in it. You can put maybe a lip gloss or lippy in it, kind of thingy. And here's black one, and I think oh wait, you do spin it. Sorry, she told me I had to spin it. So there's a keychain thing with that. These are great. I mean, this is stuff I wouldn't buy myself, because it's like, no. But when you get it from somebody else, it's like, yes, yes. And then there's this one. Oh my gosh. It does the same thing. Has a function, opens up, has a long straw in there. That's so cute. I wonder if actually it works. Oh no, it won't work, because it has the keychain. So it has that. So here's the baby. And guess what the silly woman did? She gave me the cup too. I have matching, a mama and a baby. I was telling her they ought to make the cups with some kind of a container or something that you can latch it onto there. I'm like, or I might have to walk around like this. I was super excited about that. Oh, I have two more things to show you. This right here came in the box. Isn't it beautiful? This is the Ralph Lauren bag. She bought it. It looks kind of epi-leather-ish, you know. She bought it and she liked it at the time because it was red. And it has the gorgeous plaque in there. And she said that she didn't really use it. And it's Ralph Lauren line, that part of the line. And she was saying that when she did what bags must go, or maybe she did put it in like to be in her vlog sale or something like that. I was like, why didn't you use it? It's a great bag. And guess what? Because I told her, well, I'll buy it from you. And then this was like before vacation and forgot about it. I said, well, I'll buy it, or I'll do a trade. I didn't have to do either. She gave it to me for my birthday. I just thought it's a great little bag. It's like a little tote. My iPad fits in there, so I might be able to use this as an outing. A lot of times I just try to take my iPad because I have lots of editing to do all the time. And so this would be a great little bag when I'm kind of going to be gone for quite a bit, and I'm able to take my iPad with me. Hello. So I got this. All right, let me come back, and I have one more great item. So can you see right here? This is the other thing I got from Millisa. She had flowers delivered to me. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. So she had them delivered to me. I tried to do a little video because I was going to do a video opening. I didn't even hit record. I was so excited. I didn't even hit record. I'll put in here part of whatever it was that I did record, which is probably, I didn't even record it. OMG, I just got a delivery. And Millisa said I have to open it right away. Oh, maybe I should call her. Hey!
Hi!
I just got a delivery. I just got a delivery. I think I know what it might be, because you and I think alike. I need this. It says it on the side. Look, y'all. Look, y'all.
Oh, is that safe?
That's okay. That's good because, okay, what does it say? Peel and reveal a message from, oh, that's cool.
I have no idea.
For a message. It says, Dee Dee, happy birthday to my YouTube bestie. You are a true blessing in my life. Yay. same to you. I need to save this somewhere. I'll put it over here. Okay. All right. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm horrible at vlogging. I never clicked record, so y'all missed the whole flower unboxing that I got from Millisa. I got 2 sets. The hub sent me flowers today too, and he went and picked his up and brought them home directly. Millisa sent hers via Costco. I have sent them via Sam's before, but I've never received them, and they're actually a very beautiful presentation. Can you see them? Can you see how pretty they look? I'm gonna go put them over here. There you are. These are Melissa's right here. These are from the hubs. Those gifts are from the hubs. Thank you. So anyway, thank you so much, Millisa. I hope you don't mind me showing the things that you gave me, but I think that, you know, it's just you. You are such a, well, these items that you took time to purchase for me, to wrap up for me, to have sent to me are wonderful. It means so much to me. But more than anything else is that over this past year, you have gifted me your friendship, and that is really what I wanted to say thank you for, and is really what I wanted to say today on my birthday, is that thank you so much for gifting me your friendship. You know, you have been there for me thick and thin. We have both had mutual losses and mutual gains together, and it's just really nice to have somebody to share those things with. So thank you so much, Millisa, from the bottom of my heart, to think about me. And through this whole year, it just maybe year and a half, it just has grown stronger, and I could not survive YouTube life without you. So thank you so much. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, if you have not gone over to subscribe to Simply Lady M's channel, formerly Melissa's Corner, but she is now Simply Lady M, please go over and visit with her and tell her hello and tell her that I loved my birthday gifts. All right, love y'all. Bye.